Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Astro A50 Mod Kit is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for gamers looking to personalize their audio experience, offering a range of customization options to match their individual style and preferences. In this video, we will delve into the features, benefits, and overall value of this mod kit, helping you decide if it's the right upgrade for your Astro A50 Gen 4 headset. Number 5. DEFEAN A50 Gen 4 Mod Kit. Upgrade your Astro A50 Gen 4 gaming experience with our replacement earpads and headband. It's designed for a perfect fit and enhanced comfort. Installation is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary accessories and takes less than a minute. Enjoy a quick and painless upgrade. Experience superior noise cancellation with the high-density foam earpads. They're thicker than the originals for improved sound isolation and comfort. These replacement parts are specifically designed for the Astro A50 Gen 4 headset. Please note, they are not compatible with the Gen 3 model. They are made with high-quality materials and come with a 12-month worry-free warranty and free lifetime technical support. We're confident you'll love them. The kit includes 2 earpads, 2 headbands, and 2 microphone foams. Everything you need for a complete upgrade. Headphones are not included. If you have any issues, please contact us for a replacement or refund. We're here to help. What we like. It boasts a quick and easy installation process, taking less than a minute. This kit comes with a full 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. If you value a hassle-free setup and reliable product, this is the one for you. What people say. The cups were obviously easy to install, but the top piece was a pain to get off and on, especially knowing that it is a weak point in this headset, so be careful when installing. Get the faux leather version. It's by far the most comfortable mod for the A50. Also works for the A50X. Both the ear pads and crown pad fit perfectly, and thanks to the design of the headset, were as simple as you could hope to install. They are very comfortable and cut down on outside noise quite a bit. Number 4. Astro A50 Gen 4 Mod Kit. Upgrade your Astro A50 Gen 4 headset with this comfortable and enhanced ear cushion mod kit. It's designed for long gaming sessions and improved sound quality. These thicker earpads create more room for your ears, reducing pressure and increasing comfort during extended use. Take a break and let them rest, you'll appreciate the difference. Remember to remove them when charging your headset with a multifunctional base for a proper fit. It's a simple step for optimal performance. These replacement earpads are made for long-lasting comfort. The softer material makes them ideal for extended wear, providing a more comfortable and immersive experience. High-quality memory foam perfectly insulates your ears, blocking out distractions and delivering pure, crisp sound. Enjoy an enhanced audio experience. These earpads are specifically designed for the Astro A50 wireless headset Gen 4. Please note, they are not compatible with Gen 3 headsets. What we like. Its thicker earpads provide extra space and comfort for your ears, perfect for extended gaming sessions. Experience enhanced comfort and better sound isolation. If you prioritize comfort during long gaming sessions, this is a great choice. What people say. Material is easier to clean than the original ones that the A50s come with. I was taken aback at how comfortable and large this accessory was for my headset. It is very comfortable, and it almost makes it feel like the headset is floating. Good quality pleather, and they attach easily. They are thick and add passive noise cancellation. Number 3. Astro A50 Gen 4 Mod Kit. Upgrade your Astro A50 Gen 4 headset with this complete mod kit. It includes replacement ear pads, a new headband, and microphone foam, ensuring a perfect fit and enhanced comfort. Installing this kit is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary accessories and follows the original installation method, taking only a minute or less. Experience superior comfort with the soft, durable memory foam ear pads. They're so comfortable, you'll forget you're even wearing them. The improved ear pads create a perfect seal, blocking out distractions and dramatically enhancing sound quality. Enjoy a more immersive audio experience. This kit provides everything you need: 2 ear pads, 1 headband, and 2 microphone foams. Give your headset complete protection and revitalized sound. Important note, this mod kit is only compatible with Astro A50 Gen 4 headsets. It is not suitable for Gen 3 headsets. What we like. Made with premium protein leather, it offers a luxurious feel and enhanced sound quality. Installation is a breeze, just like the original. If you appreciate quality materials and improved audio, this is perfect for you. What people say. The product fits the Astro A50 like a glove. Very comfortable, I haven't noticed any change in my audio quality swapping to these. Number 2. Astro A50 Gen 4 Mod Kit. Upgrade your Astro A50 Gen 4 headset with our new mod kit. It includes cooling gel earpads, a new headband, and microphone foam for enhanced comfort and sound. This mod kit is designed specifically for the Astro A50 Gen 4. It's not compatible with the Gen 3, so please double-check your headset model. Installation is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary accessories and takes less than a minute. Follow the simple instructions and enjoy your upgrade. Experience superior comfort with the soft, cooling gel memory foam earpads. They're so comfortable, you'll forget you're even wearing them. The improved earpads create a perfect seal, blocking out distractions and dramatically improving sound quality. Immerse yourself in your audio. The kit includes 2 earpads, 1 headband, and 2 microphone foams. Everything you need for a complete refresh of your headset. What we like. It features cooling gel for maximum breathability and comfort, especially during intense gaming sessions. Enjoy enhanced sound and a comfortable fit. If you need a cool and comfortable option for long gaming sessions, this is ideal. What people say. These are great, I feel like my headset is brand new now. I noticed these block out sound a great deal more than the cloth ones. The magnetic work didn't connect to the headphones, ripped off the padding, put it on my old ones just to make it work. These are a perfect fit and feel very comfortable. I've had these now for about a year and they are still holding up just fine. Number 1. DIMOST Astro A50 Gen 4 Mod Kit. Experience superior comfort with our new ear pads and headband. They're designed specifically for your Astro A50 Gen 4 headset. Installation is a breeze. The included plastic fittings make setup quick and simple. You'll be enjoying enhanced comfort in minutes. This kit comes with 1 pair of plush ear cushions and a replacement protein leather headband. Everything you need for a complete upgrade. These ear pads are crafted from premium protein leather, ice silk fiber cloth, and cooling gel memory foam. Enjoy unparalleled comfort during extended gaming sessions. Due to their increased thickness, it's best to remove them when using the multifunctional base. This ensures proper contact and optimal performance. Stay cool and comfortable even during intense gaming sessions with the cooling gel technology in these new ear pads. Enjoy hours of gameplay without discomfort. What we like. This offers a refreshing cooling gel design for superior comfort. Installation is quick and easy. If you want a comfortable and premium upgrade for your headset, this is the one for you. What people say. For starters, these ear cushions are more thicker, thus they block sound better. They are also made with a more comfortable cushion material that feels more similar to the cushions on the Turtle Beach Elite Pro 2 headset. To start, these are really comfortable and they are made of high-quality material. The sound quality is still great and they fit perfectly. The bigger ear cups improve the stability of the headset on your head. The standard ear cups definitely slid around while on my head. This sits snug. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.